Hi everyone, welcome back to the Automatic Addiction channel. The 2025 Chevrolet Traverse is poised to continue its role as a dependable and spacious three-row SUV, catering to families and those requiring ample cargo capacity. Building on its existing strengths, the 2025 Traverse is expected to receive updates in styling, technology, and potentially powertrain options. While official details are still limited, industry speculation and spy photos offer glimpses into what the next generation might bring. Styling is a key factor in the competitive three-row SUV segment. The 2025 Traverse is anticipated to receive a refresh, potentially incorporating design cues from Chevrolet's latest trucks and SUVs. This could include a revised front fascia with updated headlights, grille, and bumper, along with subtle changes to the rear and side profile. The goal is likely to create a more modern and refined look while maintaining the Traverse's familiar and practical shape. New wheel designs and color options are also possibilities to freshen up the exterior. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Traverse is expected to see advancements in technology and comfort. A larger and more intuitive infotainment screen is likely, along with enhanced connectivity features, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Improvements to driver assistance systems, such as enhanced automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, are also anticipated. Material quality and interior design could also be refined, aiming to create a more premium and comfortable environment for both driver and passengers across all three rows. Seating configurations and cargo management solutions are also likely to be updated for improved versatility. Powertrain options for the 2025 Traverse are still largely speculative. While the current V6 engine is a likely carryover, there's always the possibility of enhancements to improve fuel economy or performance. The introduction of a hybrid or even a plug-in hybrid powertrain, while not confirmed, is also within the realm of possibility as the automotive industry moves towards electrification. This would be a significant shift for the Traverse and could broaden its appeal to environmentally conscious buyers. The 2025 Chevrolet Traverse aims to build on its established reputation as a practical and family-friendly SUV. By refining its styling, enhancing its technology, and potentially improving its powertrain options, the Traverse is expected to remain a strong contender in the highly competitive three-row SUV market. As more official information becomes available, the 2025 Traverse will undoubtedly attract significant attention from families seeking a reliable, spacious, and well-equipped vehicle. 2025 Chevrolet Traverse pricing is yet to be officially announced. Expect a slight increase over the current model, potentially ranging from $35,000 to $50,000 depending on trim level and optional features. Official pricing will be released closer to the launch. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more updates and exclusive content on automotive innovation. Thank you for watching.